Hello! Today we will learn how to multiply and divide numbers by 5. It is super easy, and once you learn this method, you can do it in seconds. So let's see how to do it. We'll start with multiplication. So for example, we'll do 60 multiplied by 5. First, we add a 0 to the end of the number that we multiply. So we're doing 60 times 5. So 60, we put a 0 at the end to give us 600. Now we halve the number, which is dividing it by 2. So 600 divided by 2 is equal to 300, which is our answer. So 60 times 5 is equal to 300. The reason we add a 0 at the end of the number is because adding a 0 at the end of the number, which is not decimal, is basically multiplying it by 10. Note that if a number that you multiply has a decimal point, then for the first step, just remove the decimal point. So, when you have a decimal number, when you remove the decimal point, then you are basically just multiplying it by 10, which is what we do in the first step. So now let's see an example for a decimal number. In the number 65.2, for multiplying it by 10, we just remove the decimal point to get 652. Note that if the number was something like 6.52, then you will just move the decimal point to get 65.2. Now let's do division. Let's take 230 divided by 5. We first double the first number, which is 230, to get 460. Now we put a decimal point before the last number. See, from multiplication, when we remove the decimal point, which was for multiplying by 10, now we add a decimal point to divide it by 10. So 460 before now we add the decimal point to get 46.0. 46.0 is basically just 46. So 230 divided by 5 is 46. But what do we do if the number is decimal? Let's take the number 11.6 divided by 5. We will still double the number to get 23.2, but now we can't just put a decimal point as there already is 1. So we just put the decimal point before the next number, which is 3. Next number, because the number is decimal, next number we count from the right side and not from the left. So for 23.2, the next number, which is after the right side decimal 2, will be 3. So we get the number 2.32, which is the answer to 11.6 divided by 5. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this, and thanks for watching.